Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I am Asma Yunus, dear audience. I hope you all are fine. Today I will talk about an important topic that mostly people experience, that is social anxiety disorder. As in the picture shown that man is hiding the face in front of the glass. So it is the scenario of social anxiety disorder. Basically, the man fails to uh, face the people. He dislikes social gatherings, or it is due to the past experience, that is humiliation, bullying, and so on. So, the main topic is cognitive behavior therapy as an effective treatment for social anxiety disorder, a case study. Basically, it is all about the cognitive behavior therapy treatment of social anxiety disorder, and basically it's a case study by me and my friend Farhana Sabah and Asma Yunus. These are the author of the study. We are the authors, and yes, basically the social anxiety disorder is just social anxiety disorder has caused positive correlation with the loneliness. Now let's talk about social anxiety disorder. Social anxiety disorder is caused by past experience, past humiliation or bullying by others. And social anxiety disorder is a condition in which a person remains isolated from the social contacts because of the anxiety and irritability he experiences in a social situation make the person prone towards loneliness. Basically, the reason behind the social anxiety disorder is rejection in the social situation, bullying, teasing, humiliation. These are the reasons. That's why the man or the individual hates social situation or wants to remain homeless. As a study was 31-year-old lady, 31 year from middle class Muslim family. She has symptoms of social anxiety with crying spells and lack of self-confidence, lack of self-esteem. She does not want to talk to anyone, and she's just sitting on a bench, and she is not more interested in the people. 2 years ago, when she was delivering a presentation in a class, her class fellows criticized. In her response, she became much frustrated. She felt very alone, and she has very negative thought about people, and she does not talk to anyone. She does not come in front of strangers, and when the guests come in the home, she remain isolated and not talk to anybody. So the main reason behind the social in this case study is the experience of the girl, that she has experienced in the class during delivering a presentation. She got negative remarks from the class fellows. Hypothesis: the hypothesis of the study is cognitive behavior therapy is highly effective treatment for social anxiety disorders, and it's very effective, and we'll see in the end the result. Research design, individual case study research design was used, which come under qualitative uh, qualitative paradigm. It is the methodology and the research design. After this, diagnostics test that we have used: HTP, House Tree Person, TAT, Thematic Apperception Test, RISP, Rotter's Ink-Block Sentence Test, Beck Anxiety Inventory, BAI and Beck Depression Inventory, BDI. We have used these tests for the diagnostic purpose. Later on, finding of the psychological test. Psychological test was having that was having difficulty in social relationship. She wants to remain isolated and she hate people. This is the result of the test. Then next procedure. Client was given different tests for the 12 week, and later on the result of the test. Firstly into the test pre-testing, and after the we have given therapy, and after therapy, and we have informed consent was taken from the client. Highest level of confidentiality was mentioned. There was a physical or psychological um, interest of patients, and this was the result of the test, and it has higher score in the BDI and other tests. Post testing was done with the help of BI and BDI. Results of these that client has significantly recovered from the social anxiety disorder. After given therapy CBT, the client has recovered. It is considered that CBT along with psycho education are very effective therapeutic technique, and a patient can be recovered from the social anxiety disorder by the CBT. The main the key point of the therapy is that you should be loyal to the profession. Like if you are psychologist, if you are teacher, you should be loyal. The results would be positive. Limitation of the study: it was only the one single therapy, and that is the limitation of the study. It's only an individual case study. That fact makes her generalization shortly limited. Thank you so much for listening. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.